Step 1. Trim the chicken. Wash the chicken. When trimming the chicken, remove the blood and intestines from the spine. That way you can reduce the odor of the chicken. Remove a little bit of extra fat. Wash the chicken 2 or 3 times in running water. If you have a ginger, add a little in the boiling water. Add half a cup of cooking wine. Add a chicken. Blanch for 5 minutes. If you boil the chicken, the smell of the chicken can be reduced and will also remove some of the chicken's greasy impurities. 5 minutes later, rinse the boiled chicken once in cold water. Step 2. Making the seasoning. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste. Likewise, if you like the spice taste, you can add a little more. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Mix well. Step 3. Preparing vegetables. If you cut the potatoes small, the potatoes may break while boiling, so cut them in chunks. Cut the carrots into appropriate sizes. Cut the onion into suitable size. If you have green peppers, chop them finely to use for garnish at the end. Step 4. Boiling. First, pour 3 cups of water into the pot and turn on the heat. Add the seasoning you made a while ago and then boil it. When it starts to boil, put the chicken and then the potatoes, and add the remaining carrots and onions. If you add a chicken when the sauce is boiled, the chicken meat becomes more delicious than adding it before the water has boiled. Let me put the large green onions in later. When you boil first, open the lid for 5 minutes and boil over high heat. This way, the smell of the chicken can be more reduced. 5 minutes later, cover the lid and boil it over medium heat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, put the chopped large green onions. Boil for another 30 seconds. I will add some sliced green pepper for garnish. This is optional. Very delicious braised spicy chicken is done. I'll try to have a potato. The potatoes are so soft and the flavor is so good. Let me try the chicken. The chicken texture is very delicate and the sauce goes very well with the dish. So yummy. Hope you try this flavoursome dish this weekend.